$60 magic body oil and $60 facial serum, are they actually worth it? Hello, annyeong, welcome to One Eye on Korean Beauty. I'm Yuhi, your dry skin friend in the 40s, based in UK and a certified Brazilian skincare coach, sharing lots of skincare tips and honest product reviews for skin over 30, 40 and beyond. Recently, I've been receiving many inquiries from my over 50 audience about natural skincare that's good for menopausal skin. Recently, I discovered this brand Besque that's 100% natural, but not only that, they're cruelty-free and vegan. Even though it's not K-beauty, it aligns very well with Korean skincare philosophy and Wanna Beauty's skincare method with focus on barrier care, nourishment over harsh actives, and consistency. I have been testing their products and now so ready to share with you the truth about these two body care and skincare products. Are they actually worth paying $60 each? Make sure you stay tuned from start to finish to find out. Before we kickstart, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to show some love and support. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. The brand Besque is specifically designed for mature skin. Their brand philosophy is about accepting midlife skin changes as normal rather than aggressively trying to fix them. Their key focuses are nourishment over harsh correction, natural skincare that works progressively, consistency to see real results, and lastly, this is what I emphasize so much, strengthening and supporting skin barrier is far more important than chasing quick fixes for flaws. Now let's talk about that $60 magic body oil. You may have seen before and after results of this magic body oil on social media. They all look pretty remarkable, right? This oil is designed for crepey areas on the body such as tummy, thighs, underarms, bum, neck, and all other crepey areas. The formula is infused with 6 different natural oils plus tocopherol, vitamin E, which is a highly antioxidant ingredient, and this is crucial for mature skin because it helps to protect our skin from daily environmental damage, supports collagen, and keeps the skin looking smoother and more resilient over time. Now at this point you might be thinking 6 oils? Gee, that must feel super oily. The last time I actually used body oil was when I was pregnant. I thought it would be the most safe option, so I used something like 100% coconut oil. And while it was helpful to prevent my stretch marks, it was so damn greasy. So I was a little nervous about trying this body oil as well. But this one, guys, it's not greasy at all. It really highly surprised me. Of course, it's an oil, so when you first apply it, it feels oily, but that feeling disappears pretty quickly. So this magic oil contains 6 oils, including sweet almond oil, listed very first. It is great for skin softening and strengthening the barrier. Evening primrose oil, one of my favorite oils for soothing and for barrier care, and rose hip oil, which supports skin renewal. All of these are cold pressed botanicals, meaning they're lipid rich and integrate well into the skin barrier. I have a dry skin that lacks oil, so this magic body oil has really helped to keep my moisture and oil balance well throughout the day and night, plus it feels very nourishing without any greasiness. The crepey area for me on my body is mainly my neck area. I have a very thin skin from face to neck, and plus this area is becoming a bit crepey now, so I really want to test this out on my neck mainly. And I think I can actually see the difference after using this for a couple of weeks now. My neck and my body just drinks up this natural oil plus vitamin E, making it look more firm and elastic. Don't you reckon? It's definitely made a difference. And because this is a barrier supporting nourishment, if you use it consistently for longer, you'll see even better results. So I'm really looking forward to continue using this. I also really like the natural fragrance from this oil, but you can also get this in fragrance-free version, so you can choose whichever you prefer. I seriously never tried anything like this before. It is a real one-of-a-kind oil, and the word magic oil really matches well. I really wish I discovered this earlier when I was pregnant. All natural, safe for everyone, especially suitable for dry, crepey, mature skin. And the brand Besque has kindly offered a 15% discount for my audience. So if you want to grab your hands on it, go and find all its details in the pinned comment below. Go enjoy the discount and do let me know down in the comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this as well. Now moving to the Devine 9 Facial Serum, which is another interesting product that's packed with 100% natural ingredients Once again, it's designed especially for thinner, more reactive skin, which is very common for mature skin because as we age, our skin becomes thinner, more prone to redness, and sensitivity increases as our cell turnover slows down. This serum helps to support those changes by targeting common menopausal skin concerns by helping it to calm redness, soften fine lines, hydrate the skin, and support overall menopausal skin changes by bringing back the glow without heaviness. The texture is lightweight but slightly viscous, and it is quite an oily serum but not greasy. Packed with 9 natural ingredients, and the key ingredients I want to highlight are frankincense, which supports fine line care, vitamin E, highly antioxidant and supports elasticity, avocado oil and broccoli seed oil, which provides deep nourishment and glow, plus evening primrose, manuka and black cumin for soothing and toning support. As the oil content is quite rich, it feels deeply nourishing on my dry skin while keeping moisture and oil nicely balanced. The key is to use just 2 to 3 drops and gently massage it in for 1 to 3 minutes. This way, it'll help the serum to absorb fully without leaving any oily residue. It does have a fairly strong natural fragrance, which I personally didn't mind at all. The overall experience for me was that it gave me a really good deep nourishment plus a lasting good moisture and oil balance. When applied in my morning routine, it made my skin feel really comfortable and hydrated throughout the day. I never really felt that really good moisture and oil balance. I'd highly recommend this for dry skin who's lacking oil like mine. During daytime, if you wear makeup, it may peel your makeup because it's quite oil heavy. So I apply this on the days when I haven't been applying makeup. If used in your night routine, this will give you deep nourishment of natural oils and vitamin E, a gentle anti-aging care without harsh actives, which makes this serum a perfect option for sensitive skin types as well. Do want something all natural but will still give an effective anti-aging care. My dry skin has been absolutely loving this. I'd highly recommend it to those with dry, sensitive, mature skin. So are these $60 magic body oil and $60 facial serum worth it? I say yes. These are nothing like what you pick up from mainstream shops. When products are well made, high quality and all natural like these, they're absolutely worth investing in, especially if you have menopausal mature skin. If you're someone who prefers a natural skincare that works progressively and willing to use them consistently, then these are definitely worth picking up. The brand Besque has kindly offered a 15% discount for my audience, so go and grab these now. I'll leave its link and my discount details all in the pinned comment below. So go and enjoy the discount, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on these. Seriously, I want to hear your thoughts on what you think about these products because these are really different. They're nothing like what you try from mainstream shops. If you've got any questions or want to share your thoughts on these products, do let me know down in the comments below as well. I'd love to hear from you. Enjoy the show and you'd like to explore more great skincare tips and my honest product reviews for mature skin, go and check out my video next over here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next beauty show. Annyeong!